Hi folks, Marty and T with Remax Real Estate. Welcome to our July 2026 Edmonton Real Estate Update. The market continued to shift through July, with buyers seeing more selection while sellers faced increasing competition as inventory remained elevated. There were about 2,500 residential sales across the greater Edmonton area in July. That's a decrease of 7.6% from June and 11% compared with July of last year. About 4,300 new listings came onto the market, bringing total residential inventory to approximately 8,000 properties. For buyers, that means considerably more choice. For sellers, pricing and presentation are becoming increasingly important. Prices continue to vary considerably depending on property type. The overall average residential selling price was about $475,000. Detached homes averaged about $586,000, semi-detached homes about $425,000, townhomes about $293,000, and apartment condominiums about $215,000. These broad averages are useful, but individual neighborhoods and properties can perform very differently. Homes took an average of about 39 days to sell during July. As inventory increases, buyers have more time to compare properties and negotiate. For sellers, this makes accurate pricing particularly important. Properties that are well presented and positioned correctly for their neighborhood are more likely to attract serious buyer attention. Overall, Edmonton remains an active real estate market, but conditions have become more balanced. Buyers have greater selection and more negotiating opportunities, while sellers are competing against a larger number of available properties. That's why neighborhood-level information matters. The value and marketability of a home can vary significantly from one Edmonton community to another. Thank you for joining us for the July Edmonton Real Estate Market Update. If buying or selling is in your plans, we'd be happy to meet with you to discuss your goals and develop a personalized strategy for your next move. For strategic real estate insights, visit the links in the description below.